Now, new legal trouble this morning for a company that operates hundreds of pop-up COVID-19 testing sites across the country.
The Minnesota Attorney General's office is accusing the Center for COVID Control of deceptive and fraudulent practices. News4JAX reporter Aaron Farrar is live on Bay Street. And Aaron, that's where one of its testing sites was located, right here in town.
And that site had its lease terminated here in this building last week. There was a sign at the top of their staircase that pointed people in the direction of where that office was to get tested. That sign is no longer there, but look at the bottom of the staircase. There is a sign there that lets you know that that office is terminated and permanently gone. Some of the accusations against the Center for COVID Control include instances when people never got their test results or even were given a negative result when they never took a test to begin with. A Minnesota lawsuit is the latest hit against the Center for COVID Control. Other complaints include the company gave false test dates, times, and even listing the wrong kind of tests. The lawsuit claims the Center for COVID Control made its staff falsely post date samples to make them appear to be more recent than they were. It also accuses the company of making Minnesota patients take several tests by telling them the results of those tests were inconclusive and charging them for it, as well as telling the federal government several patients did not have insurance even though they did. The Center for COVID Control is based out of Illinois, as well as its main lab. The state attorney general's office there is also investigating the company. The Minnesota Attorney General's office is looking at penalties that can reach up to $25,000 per violation against the company. Last week, the Center for COVID Control announced it was temporarily shutting down its operations because it said the Omicron variant stressed its staff and boosted its demand. The company that says it collects more than 80,000 tests a day is also being investigated by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid, which is a part of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. And according to the Center for COVID Control's website, it plans to resume operations this Saturday. It's unclear if a different testing site will open up here in Jacksonville. Reporting live in downtown, I'm Aaron Farrar, Channel 4, the local station.